Life is a precious gift. Every sunrise brings a new opportunity to embrace the beauty around us. We only get one shot, one chance to climb the mountains of our dreams and reach new heights. It's time to make it count. Finding balance and peace within ourselves is the first step. Healthy living isn't about deprivation. It's about abundance, abundant energy, abundant joy, abundant life. Nourishing our bodies with vibrant, wholesome foods fuels our journey. Think about what truly matters to you. Is it the laughter of your grandchildren? Is it playing with your grandkids? Traveling the world? Discovering new cultures and experiences? Or simply waking up each day feeling your best? Feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day? Healthy living is the key. It's about making small, mindful choices that lead to big changes. It's about making choices that empower you. Choices that nourish your body and soul. Choices that bring you closer to your dreams. Every step, every decision brings you closer to the life you envision. It's about saying yes to a vibrant and fulfilling life. Surrounding yourself with positivity and joy. Are you ready to embrace the extraordinary? To stand tall and live a life worth living? Food is medicine. It has the power to heal and energize. It's fuel for your amazing body, providing essential nutrients. What you eat directly impacts how you feel, both physically and emotionally. Think of your plate as a rainbow, a vibrant palette of health. Fill it with colorful fruits and vegetables, each color offering unique benefits. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect your body. They give you energy, boost your mood, and enhance your overall well-being. Choose lean proteins and whole grains to maintain steady energy levels. They keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing unhealthy snacking. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Experiment with new recipes and flavors. Explore different cultures through their cuisine, discovering new ingredients and techniques. Make it a joyful experience. Cooking and eating should be a celebration of life and health. Exercise is not a chore. It's an opportunity to connect with yourself and others. It's a celebration of what your body can do. Every movement is a testament to your strength and resilience. Find an activity you love, whether it's dancing to your favorite tunes or playing a sport with friends. Something that makes you feel alive. It could be dancing, swimming, or hiking in nature. The key is to enjoy the process. Maybe it's simply taking a brisk walk with a friend. Every step counts. Walking not only benefits your body, but also strengthens your bond with others. Movement is medicine for both your body and mind. It reduces stress, improves sleep, and boosts your mood. Yoga and meditation can bring a sense of peace and balance. When you move your body, you free your mind. You let go of worries and embrace the present moment. You create space for joy, creativity, and inspiration. Engaging in physical activities can spark new ideas and bring a sense of fulfillment. Sleep is not a luxury. It's a necessity. Just like you charge your phone, you need to recharge your body. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. During sleep, your body repairs itself. Your mind processes emotions and consolidates memories. When you're well rested, you think more clearly. You have more energy and are better equipped to handle stress. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Turn off screens an hour before bed. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Section 5. Stress less, live more. Stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to rule your life. Find healthy ways to manage stress. Inhale peace, exhale worry. Meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can work wonders. Spending time in nature is incredibly therapeutic. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Listen to music, read a book, or connect with loved ones. When you prioritize your well-being, you build resilience. You're better equipped to navigate life's challenges. Section 6. Finding your tribe. The importance of social connections. Humans are social beings. We thrive in connection. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. People who lift you up and inspire you. Spend time with loved ones. Engage in activities that bring you joy and connect you with others. Join a club, volunteer, or take a class. Strong social connections nourish your soul. They provide a sense of belonging, purpose, and support. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Section 7. Small changes, big results. Practical tips for healthy living. Start small. Make one healthy choice at a time. Swap sugary drinks for water. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park farther away from the store. Every little bit counts. Make gradual changes to your diet and exercise routine. Find an accountability partner. Someone to cheer you on and keep you motivated. Celebrate your successes along the way. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. Section 8. Your journey to a healthier, happier you. Healthy living is not a destination. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth and transformation. Embrace the journey. Celebrate your progress. Be kind to yourself along the way. You are capable of creating a life you love. A life filled with health, vitality, and joy. Start today. Your future self will thank you. What are you waiting for?